Looking to light up your outdoor spaces without the hassle of wiring? Here are the 5 best outdoor solar lights I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights. Let's kick things off with the Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights. Priced at about $35.42, what really drew me in was the remote control feature, which is a total game changer. If you want a super bright, easy-to-install lighting solution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These lights pump out an impressive 2,500 lumens thanks to 210 LED beads. That means your backyard or driveway will be brilliantly illuminated, making it safer and more welcoming. Plus, they have 3 different lighting modes: strong light, dim light, and long light, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. The motion sensor detects movement up to 26 feet away and covers a 270 degrees angle, so you can feel secure knowing your space is well lit and monitored. Now, some people complained about the battery life, especially on cloudy days. Here's the thing though, if you follow the installation tips and face the solar panel towards direct sunlight, you'll get a solid performance even in less than ideal weather. This is perfect for you if you need strong, adjustable lighting for large outdoor areas. But if you're looking for something low profile or just for decorative use, you might want to skip this one. Honestly, at this price point, you're getting a great value for a powerful security light. Now, if the remote control feature of the Tough Enough light seems unnecessary for your needs, the next one takes a more traditional approach. Product number 2, Dafino Solar Lights. Next up, we have the Dafino Solar Lights, priced slightly lower at $31.46. I was impressed by the robust construction and the sheer brightness of these lights. If you want a reliable lighting solution without the fuss of a remote, this is a solid option. These lights also pump out 2,500 lumens, but here's the kicker. You get 3 different modes that let you customize your lighting. You can set them to activate only when motion is detected, keep them on all night, or have them dim and brighten with movement. This ensures you can have security lighting when you need it while saving energy otherwise. The Peer Motion Sensor can detect movement from up to 40 feet away, so you'll definitely feel more secure. However, some users noted that the installation instructions could be clearer. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, they're pretty straightforward to set up. Just make sure to place them in a spot that gets good sunlight. This is perfect for you if you're after a solid, no-frills security light that can handle the elements. But if you want a remote feature for convenience, you might want to stick to the Tough Enough. At this price, you're still getting great quality. Alright, that was a great option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a larger pack. Product number 3, HMCITY 120 LED Outdoor Solar Lights. Now let's talk about the HMCITY 120 LED Outdoor Solar Lights, retailing at $38.69. I really like the sleek design and the fact that you get 6 lights in this pack. If you need multiple lights to cover your garden or yard, this is definitely worth considering. This is particularly useful for keeping your yard safe, and with a high conversion efficiency solar panel, they charge quickly. They can last a long time, even during cloudy days, which is something that impressed me. Plus, the IP65 waterproof rating means you won't have to worry about them in bad weather. Now, some users mentioned that the brightness wasn't as powerful as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you're using them for ambience or pathway lighting, they do the job just fine. You might want something brighter if you're looking for a security-focused light. This is perfect for you if you want multiple lights for your outdoor spaces without breaking the bank. But if extreme brightness is your top priority, you might want to look elsewhere. For the price, you get excellent value with this pack of lights. Next up, if you're interested in something more decorative for your garden, the next product could be just what you need. Product number 4, Vignuto Solar Lights. Moving on, we have the Vignuto Solar Lights, which are priced around $30.93 for a pack of 4. These are not just lights, they're like little fireflies dancing in your garden. If you're looking to add some charm to your outdoor decor, you've got to check these out. These lights emit a warm white glow, creating a cozy atmosphere that's perfect for gatherings or just relaxing in your backyard. They automatically charge during the day and can light up for about 10-14 hours at night. That's perfect for parties or late-night hangouts. Plus, their waterproof design means they'll withstand any harsh weather. However, I did find some comments about their brightness being a bit soft for security needs. But honestly, if you're looking for aesthetics rather than just a security feature, these are a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want to enhance the beauty of your garden and enjoy cozy evenings outside. But if you need something purely functional for security, this might not meet your needs. At this price, you're getting a lovely decorative feature. Now, if you prefer something more functional for pathway lighting, the last product on our list might be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, SOLPEX Solar Deck Lights. Finally, we have the SOLPEX Solar Deck Lights, which come in a pack of 16. I was really drawn to their warm lighting and easy installation. If you're looking for something to light up your steps or paths, these might just be the ticket. These lights are designed to illuminate stairs and pathways safely, providing a warm glow without being too harsh. They automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn, making them super convenient. Plus, they're built to withstand the elements, so you can count on them in rain or snow. Some users did mention that the lights can sometimes be dim if not charged properly. Here's the thing though, if you install them in a well-lit area and ensure they get enough sun, they work beautifully. This is perfect for you if you want safe, low-profile lighting for your steps or walkways. But if you're looking for bright floodlights for larger areas, you might want to skip these. At this price, you're definitely getting good value for peace of mind when it comes to nighttime navigation. To recap, we've looked at some fantastic options for outdoor solar lights. The Tuffenough and Daffino lights offer great brightness and security features, while the HMCITY lights provide excellent value in a pack. The Vignuto lights are perfect for adding charm, and the SOLPEX lights do a great job illuminating paths safely. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Tuffenough lights because of their brightness and remote control feature, making them super versatile for various needs. However, I'd recommend avoiding the Vignuto lights if you need something purely for security, as they focus more on aesthetics. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.